ladies and gents, I'm Tammy Sipniewski, and you are watching ClearCryptos. In this video, we're going to go over a story about Kwan and the potential that he's continuing to dump Luna on the community. Now, let's just remember that in the past, there have been some allegations that have turned out to be false. And of course, Kwan immediately takes to Twitter talking about how he's a victim and he doesn't understand why people would do this to him. So let me refresh your memory. This is someone whose Twitter handle is literally at stable Kwan, referring to a stable coin, and his stable coin, which should have been pegged to the US dollar, is now worth sub pennies. So you can see where he probably is not going to get a lot of sympathy from the community. But again, we have another allegation that there is the potential that he is continuing to dump some tokens on the community. And we're not talking about Luna Classic, not Lunk. We're talking about Luna 2.0. So before we get to this article, I just want to remind you that there is the potential that this could all turn out to be very wrong. There have been a few other times where he's been accused of this, and it turned out it was not him. So let's get to the article. Kwan continues cashing out Terra while investors remain hopeful. On-chain records suggest that Terraform Labs CEO and co-founder Kwan has been cashing out TeraLuna to a Binance wallet while shilling the new coin on Twitter. According to assistant professor Jaewoo Cho of Hansung University's on-chain data lab, Kwan allegedly sent over 500,000 TeraLuna to address, and this is the address listed below, before the funds were transferred to Binance. Now, I just want you to highlight the word here, allegedly. Kwan continues shilling Luna. Kwan's transfer activities were first revealed by cryptocurrency and finance researcher Fatman Terra, who has been updating the Twitter community on developments following the crash of the Terra USD stablecoin in May of 2022. Fatman Terra initially brought attention to Cho's findings regarding Kwan's alleged funds transfers. According to Cho, and he gives this wallet address right here, also sent 19,506 Anchor Protocol tokens to the Ethereum address listed here before the wrapped Anchor was then transferred to Korean crypto exchange KWON. If KWON can identify the owner of this wallet, Cho says then they can identify the recipient of Kwan's Luna 2.0 transfers. These findings have come to light even as the Terraform Labs CEO has been actively promoting developments on the Terra 2.0 blockchain since it launched on May 27, 2022. Initially, Kwan boasted about the exchanges that would list the new Terra coin and then provide continuous updates to various projects occurring on the new blockchain to assure the community that the development on the new blockchain was proceeding at a brisk pace. Some projects, including Phoenix, the blockchain's first decentralized exchange, Soil Protocol, an NFT infrastructure layer for the blockchain, and Luna name service, a domain name service similar in principle to Ethereum name service, and Unstoppable Domains. But Fatman Terra isn't buying Kwan's marketing pitch, pointing out similarities to methods that were used to garner support for the original Terra USD stablecoin, propelling it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And of course, they're going to show a little screenshot of the tweets. At T's, I'm not going to read that. Replying to Fatman Terra, what is the reasoning for the shilling on Twitter comment? Do we know what these funds are for? For example, who the wallets belong to or have been used for before? And Fatman responds, WADR, which is with all due respect, I implore you to use some critical thinking as this is getting tedious with you. Historically, Kwan's MO has been shill to retail to drum up liquidity, sell bags simultaneously as above, so below. Whose wallets? Kwan's. Written in the tweet, posted about 10 of the time. Twitter pundit called for the Korean government to freeze the Binance accounts where Kwan's allegedly sent a stash of TeraLuna. Future of Lunk and Luna. Following the collapse of TeraUSD, which was the stablecoin, and its sister coin, Luna, Kwan proposed that the associated Terra blockchain be forked. This proposal would keep the original coins on the old blockchain, rebranded as Terra Classic USTC and TeraLuna, and launch 2 new coins, TeraUSD UST and TeraLuna, on a new chain. Once worth $1, Lunk is now worth a fraction of a penny. Still, its community is not discouraged. And this is a tweet from Lunk community at Luna Classic. I've seen a couple of tweets where people are hating on Lunk, saying it's dead. I'm sorry, but name me a community that has achieved so much in a small period of time, and this is only the beginning. And I will have to say, they really have done a lot, considering how this token fell so quickly. They really have done a good job with promoting it and keeping the charts up. I mean, don't get me wrong, nowhere near their all-time highs at all. This was once over $100, you understand. To buy a Terra was over $100 at its all-time high. You can now pick it up for sub pennies. It is amazing. The coin faces stiff headwinds in reaching the goal. However, the arbitrage algorithm between TeraUSD and TeraLuna that helped USD keeping its peg minted at least 6 trillion Luna during the crash in May. To put the figure into context, the market capitalization of all crypto assets is currently under 1 trillion. But there is hope on the horizon. Binance recently implemented a mechanism to burn all Lunk fees from Lunk and spot and margin trading pairs every Monday. At press time, the exchange has burned under 1 million from the week before, October 10th, 2022. The Lunk community has also called on KuCoin and Coinbase to introduce similar burn mechanisms. So what Binance has decided to do is any of the fees that have been collected to purchase Luna Classic on their platform, they're taking those and they're burning off Luna Classic. The hope is that they can burn off enough of these Luna Classics to try to push the price even higher. Because what happened, Terra had a stable coin that was linked to Luna, and it was an algorithmic stable coin. So once one of these coins was used, it would either burn or mint one of the Luna coins. This, of course, was exploited, and it caused a hyper mint of Luna, causing the stable coin to plummet very quickly, and the price on both of them absolutely dropped very quickly. So the hopes is that people can burn enough of the Luna Classic to push the price back up. But it's going to be a long time before this even sees like a penny. And people are hoping for it to get back to its all-time high, which I will remind you was over $100. So that's not going to happen. I just want to say it will be an absolute miracle if this thing gets to a penny one day in the long, long future, when enough of this circulating supply has been burned away. Maybe we can see that happen, but that's not going to happen anytime in the near future. I just want to keep you with a level head and understanding as to how we even got here. And that's going to do it here for me today, and I will catch you next time on Clear Cryptos. Take care.